Wouldn't it be great to create a full-time income from home online while you're staying home with those little ones? Well, hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 basic steps to become a stay-at-home mom making money online doing what you love, specifically through affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to get started making money online. Now, while it may sound too good to be true, it's not. It still takes a lot of hard work and dedication and consistency before the money starts rolling in. But to be there for all the little moments in your kiddos' lives, it is so worth it. So grab a pen and paper and stick around. Now today I'm laying out for you the 4 simple steps to help fellow moms stay at home with their little ones making money online doing whatever you love through affiliate marketing. Now in the final step of this video, guys, this is where the money actually starts coming in, so make sure you stick around to the very end. Plus I'm going to throw in a little bonus on how to go past affiliate marketing into really getting in some extra income flow coming in doing the same thing. So take a moment, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications with the little bell emblem if you want to stay in contact with us, learn from us the best leverage marketing strategies, and to get help making money from home. Now, we're focused today on affiliate marketing, as it's probably the easiest type of scalable online business income to get started with. Now, it still takes a lot of work before you start seeing a return, but it's really the most turnkey kind of option for people getting started. So real quick, if you're not familiar with the term affiliate marketing, what is it? Well, it's simply referring people to someone else's product or services. So obviously this is a lot easier than trying to create your own products and services up front, right? You don't have to deal with customer service, creating something and offering it and all that other kind of stuff. It makes it much, much simpler and easier for people to get started. So let's dive into the steps. Step number 1 is you need to figure out your brand. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? And how do you want to serve people? How do you want to help people? Now, this is kind of a big question and it's going to take some brainstorming. So you definitely want to write this down. Come up with a list of things that you're passionate about that you could see yourself helping people with long term. And that's a list that you're going to whittle down and choose one to get started with. Now, let's talk about some options, right? So that you kind of understand what you could really do with this. So maybe you're kind of a crunchy mom, if you will. You're really into all natural alternatives for your family. You love, vinegar and baking soda and removing household chemicals and everything else from your household. Awesome. That could be a passion that you can turn into a business and an income stream online. Maybe you're super organized. I have a sister like this. She just is awesome. She loves decluttering, creating systems for where to put your stuff. Okay, that you can turn that into an online business. Maybe you're passionate about child rearing. You've read a ton of books and you're really, really into that. And, chore charts and reward systems and all that kind of stuff. Perfect. That can work for you. Maybe you want to leverage your previous career skills that you've used elsewhere. Maybe you were an accountant and you want to help people save and invest their money and maybe save on taxes. Sounds like a great online business. Maybe you worked in home health as a nurse or a nurse's aide and you're passionate about helping caregivers, supporting caregivers, helping them survive and thrive as they care for their loved ones at home. Awesome. Those are all viable options for building a brand and creating an online income source. So get those wheels turning on what that could be for you. Now, step number 2. Do your research, okay? Who's out there doing something similar that you could model? Not copy, but model. You want to learn who's out there in the same space or a similar space online, and what are they doing? How are they reaching their audience? What kind of content and value are they offering their audience? And then how are they monetizing it? So do a little research, snoop around, find a handful of folks doing what you want to do, and learn how they're doing it. What are they doing? Okay? Now, step number 3. What platform do you want to build your audience on? Now, you need to build an audience if you ever want to sell anything, right? The basic steps to an online business: build an audience, engage that audience, and sell to that audience. So you're going to choose a platform to create content on, to provide value on, and then build that audience that you can then, make sales and earn commissions through. So different options that you may choose. YouTube. Video is a very, very powerful tool. We love YouTube. We're definitely focusing heavily in our business moving forward in YouTube. It's here to stay, and it's a very powerful, not only a search engine, but evergreen content. It's just a really cool thing. So you can do videos, sharing tips, strategies, insights to help your audience. And then then you're going to be able to monetize that as well through the links and the options in YouTube. Facebook, also a very powerful tool. You can do a lot of paid advertising and different things on Facebook. It's very, very powerful. Everyone's on Facebook. Instagram and Twitter are both great strategies that we've leveraged a lot in our business and have made us a lot of money. So those are also great strategies if there's something that interests you, or maybe blogging. Maybe you love writing. That's your thing. That's your drive. And you know that blogging is where you want to be. That's awesome. You can use blogging to build your audience and to monetize that audience through selling. So those are different options. Now, you're going to obviously have to learn, how do you build an audience? How do you engage an audience? How do you provide value to an audience on these different platforms? So you're going to have to do a little training. I'm going to throw in somewhere further down in the description some different links that you can go to on some free training and resources that we have, because we train on basically all of these strategies. So you can check that out. If you know what strategy right now that you want to focus on, you can get started learning that strategy right there. Now, step number 4, this is where the money comes in. Okay, what types of services or products can you offer your audience? What can you promote? Now, what would serve your audience the most? And something that you can really stand behind. You don't want to just offer something just to make money. You want to offer something that you know can help your audience. So this should be something that you stand behind, probably something that you use yourself. And so you can really back it with your whole heart. So what kind of things can you offer that's going to serve your audience? So when you figure out what kind of things you'd want to refer people to, you want to contact the companies, do a little research, and see if they have an affiliate program. A lot of companies do. You have an affiliate program that you can refer people and you make a percentage of the sale. Now, you can also do something as easy as an Amazon affiliate, where you refer people to different products that they can purchase on Amazon. Super simple. It's free to sign up. You can do that and you can make a percentage of the purchases through Amazon. Now let's talk about some examples so that you kind of understand how you would monetize these different brands that we talked about. So the crunchy all-natural mom, right? Maybe you found a grocery service that delivers groceries to your door that are all natural. You don't have to waste a bunch of time at the grocery store, reading labels and trying to figure out what's in everything and what's safe and good for your family. That would be a great program to promote to your audience. Maybe you're the decluttering organization queen. Awesome. Maybe there's some specific totes or bins or label makers or whatever that you love and you want to refer people to. Be an Amazon affiliate and refer people to the links to purchase them through Amazon. Maybe you're passionate about child rearing. You could offer specific books that you recommend for people. Great, simple, easy way to do it. Also, Amazon affiliate would work great. Accountant. So you want to focus on saving people money, helping them budget and invest and save on their taxes, something like that. So there might be a software or an app that you can find and start using yourself so you understand it and really believe in it, but something that would maybe help people track their deductions and everything, keep them organized throughout the year so that it's super easy peasy to save a bunch of money at tax time because you've been organized all year. So that might be something great in that industry, for that niche and that brand. Maybe you're a caregiver advocate for people who care for their chronically ill loved ones at home. Maybe there's books or even services that you know would really help these people and you can refer them to them. Awesome. Great way to add the income stream, monetize your audience and help them. Because in the end, guys, you got to focus on serving your audience, and they're going to be happy to buy, but you're also going to build loyal customers that buy and buy again because they know that you have their best interests at heart. Now, here's the bonus. Bonus, guys, is once you've figured all this out and you're moving forward and progressing with your affiliate marketing through your brand, you want to work towards creating your own digital products as well. Your own digital products. Don't try this right away because it takes some additional setup and stuff, but get the wheels turning on where you could go long term. Maybe it's something as a 10-minute meals ebook, something that moms can throw together some meals in 10 minutes. That sounds great, right? They could purchase that online. Maybe a video training series on how to reorganize your house and declutter one room at a time. Maybe downloadable chore charts for different age ranges. Or a budgeting plan, or an ebook about how to find strength and really thrive as a caregiver for your loved one. So these are the 4 steps that really anyone, but especially stay-at-home moms, can use to make money online, turning their passions into profits. Now, plus how to progress past that and creating your own products in addition to all of the affiliate marketing that you can do as well. So my question to you is, what is your passion? Right? How do you want to serve people? I want you to leave a comment. Let me know what your passion is, how you want to help and serve your audience, because that's the first question you have to answer to get this ball moving. So to learn the different types of businesses that you can really do online, and especially affiliate marketing, which we talked about today, and our recommended program to teach you how to be a great affiliate marketer, you want to definitely click the link, the top link in the description, for our free social media sales automation training to dive further into that. Now, hopefully you've learned a few important things here today from this video. You got the wheels turning on where you can head, what you can do, and you've got some concrete steps to take to get there. So if you did, give me a thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up for me, guys, and share this to whatever social media platform you're on so that we can help more people. This is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and we'll see you soon.